Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's me, Marissa here. This video is gonna be kind of sad, okay? Like, not like sad, but like sad. Bittersweet. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Q&A. I just kind of want to sit down with you guys and like kind of chill and just be real with you guys before I go to college in a week. So this video is going to be a little bit bittersweet because it's going to be my last time filming in my home and it's just going to be kind of weird. I will be talking about at the end of this video what I am going to be doing with my channel when I am away. So, but I am going to be doing my Q&A today because I wanted to answer a lot of these questions because a lot of them are about college and just about me, and I figured like if you are new to my channel, it might be kind of helpful to know like some of these things. So if you guys enjoy, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Hi, my name is Marissa and I upload weekly beauty, lifestyle, and a lot of college related videos to my channel. Also, if you want to follow my journey on here and now at college, you can follow my Instagram, which is linked down below. I finally got a lot of questions though, so I'm going to be answering them and I hope this video is enjoyable for you. So I'm going to be trying my best to answer all these questions, but I don't want this video to be like super long. So the first question I got is, what are you going to be majoring in college? And I got this question a lot, so I'm going to be doing applied communication studies, which at my school, applied, the concentration applied, basically means I'm going to be doing every single communications major in one. And then I'm also planning on minoring visual communication design or graphic design and advertising. So my next question is, what are you most excited about for college? I would have to say meeting new people. I'm a very sociable person, if you didn't know that already. So I am so excited to get out of this little bubble of my small town and just branch out and meet so many new people and have so many new friends and like find my girl gang. I am planning on joining a sorority, so I'm very excited about rushing. So to meet like all the girls and like find like my sisterhood, I'm so excited about. My next question is, what's the best thing about this summer so far? Basically getting to relax and just kind of chill, unwind, sit by the pool all day. My favorite thing. My next question is, what are you looking forward to most when college starts? I kind of already answered this, but probably just like the meeting new people. And I am so excited to move into my dorm. I'm not really excited for dorm living, but I can't wait to see what my dorm looks like because I've lived literally dorm shopping since like June. Next question is, what's your favorite thing about high school? By the way, you're very pretty. Oh, thank you so much. My favorite thing about high school was probably musical. Just like the place like where I felt so safe that I could just completely be myself. So musical is definitely my favorite part of high school. Next question is, what is your all-time favorite musical? From one of my musical girls, Phantom of the Opera. Oh, I love Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia is so good. Of Les Mis, I was in Les Mis, Guys and Dolls, Fiddler. I love Fiddler. I love a lot, okay? I love musicals so much. I listen to a lot of them too. What are some tips you would give for the rest of high school? I kind of did this video like with my high school experience. I'll put that like above. But like really quickly, just like work hard. Don't slack off. Be involved. Get out there. Go out of your comfort zone. Don't worry about it. But I have like a more detailed video like in there. You can go watch that if you want to. But good luck if you are still going through high school. This is from one of my friends, but if you are like still in high school, good luck. You'll do great, I promise. Next is, what are your plans after college? I might get my master's degree. I don't really know if I will actually need to because I am doing communications. Like I said, I don't think it's really like all that necessary, I guess. Hopefully I get a really good internship and then that really good internship can help me get a really good job. I was like in the car last night and I was like, I would love to go to New York City, like, or like live like on a suburb of New York and then like go in. Like that's like every girl's dream, like I know. My hope is to get a job in like the beauty fashion industry, so like New York would probably be the place like I would have to go. But I don't know, it's just a dream, but like you never know. Fingers crossed something good will happen to me in the future. I don't really know. Do you plan to make YouTube your career? And no, it's more for me like a side thing and just something I honestly do for fun. Like I'm not even really like in it to like make money, get monetized, anything like that. I'm just kind of doing it for fun. I've literally always done it for fun since I was little, so I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna continue. No, like I was just kind of bored like this summer and I was like, I really want to restart my channel, and like I always had the stuff to do it. It was just so hard during high school because I was so busy. I plan to make it my career. If I can get monetized, that would be awesome, but like if I don't, like it's fine too. I'm just doing it for fun, honestly, and because I like helping you guys and I love like building like a little community of my own. I need to like have something to like call you guys, like I don't want to say fans, I don't like that. name to like call my subscribers, I guess. So comment below if you have like any ideas for like names that I could use to call you guys. Next question is, what's the most exciting part about going into college? Also, I just found your videos and you're great, and thank you so much. I appreciate it. This exciting part is probably getting all the dorm stuff. I know some people like don't like dorm shopping, and I'm like, oh, why? Like, it is so fun. Me and my roommate was also so exciting because we've been like communicating for a while, and just like meeting like the new people was just like really exciting. So also, I'm excited that I'm taking classes I actually want to take. Like, I'm not taking anything I don't want to take. I will have to like eventually, but like right now, like I have 3 classes in my first semester for my major, which is so exciting. So it's all stuff that I like, which I like. Okay, so that was all my questions from Instagram. So now I know there's a couple from YouTube, so I'm gonna like scroll through my comments really quickly and like kind of check that out. Okay, so I found 2 questions from YouTube at the moment. The first one is, how do you feel about living with strangers in a dorm? I'm gonna like give you guys a breakdown of my dorm like really quickly because it's like kind of interesting. The hall is 10 floors, so it houses over like 500 kids. They're also freshmen to upperclassmen. The 10th floor is aeronautics and engineering floor. It is a living learning community for the aeronautics major. So 10th floor, all like aviation, pilots. And down below we have gymnasts on our floor, which is so exciting. I think we also have other sports teams, but I don't really know what. The reason why we have sports teams in our building is because we have like our own rec center, so like obviously like athletes are like required to like work out and that kind of thing, so they can just like literally like leave their dorm and go downstairs. Like living with strangers, I don't know, I think it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be new. I remember when I was at orientation, like people were just like being loud in the hallway. I was like, can you not? So I know I'm gonna get like really annoyed with that. The communal bathrooms, I'm going to hate. Living with strangers is probably gonna be kind of weird at first, but like eventually I think those strangers probably like become my friends, especially like on my floor. Next question is, what is your dream career? And I don't really know. With communications, like I said, I can literally go into anything. I can go into the health field, entertainment industry, fashion, beauty, health, wellness, Google. Hey Google. And my school's program is awesome, which honestly gives me a lot of hope, and they keep like posting like the awesome internships that students in my college are getting, and it's just like, wow, like I hope that is me in 4 years, you know? So I think at the moment that is all of the questions that I got right now, but I will pin a comment to this video if you have any other questions that you want me to answer like in a future Q&A video as well. That's pretty much it. So now I'm going to talk to you guys about what I am doing with my channel while I am in college. So basically my plan for when I go to college is to upload videos 1 day a week, and I think that is pretty manageable. If not 1 day a week, it'll definitely be every other week. So I think we'll still be consistent here. On Tuesdays and Fridays, I only have 1 class. Tuesday, I actually am done with class at 10:45. It would probably be possible to film that day or edit that day and upload that day. Today, I also am done with classes at 12 o'clock. So, but there are a few weekends I have to go home, like for medical reasons. I have to just continue getting my allergy shots. But I am done then too, like, and I have the rest of the day. Obviously, I'm going to have club meetings and sorority meetings and that kind of thing too. Honestly, Tuesday might kind of be like my to-do day because I don't really think I'm gonna have sorority stuff on Tuesdays. And I also have like a free weekend here and there. I mean, I don't really know like what, I don't really know how the college social scene works completely, so I'm probably not going to be going out like every single day because that's just not me. It's like Tuesday might be my good productive day. It might also be my laundry day. It'd be a little bit difficult in these next coming weeks. If anything like is wrong or like going to change, I would definitely like let you guys know like on Instagram, so definitely follow me on there. Keep an eye on my community tab as well because like I might add updates there, but I think I should be fine. So I am definitely going to be doing a move-in day vlog. That will probably be my first video I do. That probably won't be on the schedule because like I don't have classes that first week that I'm there, so I will have free time. And then I'm also going to be doing a dorm tour as well, so that will probably be my next video. If there's anything you guys would like to see while I am in college, like a week in my life, a morning routine video, I am also planning on doing a rush week, like outfits in the week video, and a rush week bid day vlog. That is pretty much it. So I thank you guys so much for all of your support this summer. Thank you for all of the encouraging comments, all of the likes, the subscribes. My channel has grown so much, and like I've literally like dreamed of being where I am with my YouTube that I am right now. So I guess I will see you when I'm at college, which is so scary. I've literally been waiting to move into college since like my last couple months of high school just because I wanted to get out of there so bad. I am very excited though, so Thank you guys once again for everything this summer, and I wish you all the best of luck if you also are moving into college. Follow my social medias to keep updated on everything. Thank you guys so much again, and I will see you guys in my next video when I am probably at college. So, bye guys, thank you for watching.